Hey friend, welcome. I'm going to take you through the process that I go through when I do my consignment sale. And I started out reselling with this consignment sale. I've been doing it for 10 years. So twice a year is about 20 times. I have quite a bit of experience. I have a little bit of a system down for the process. So I thought I would take you along as I go through this. I actually am doing this as a collaboration with Andrea, so I'm going to link her channel, and if you are from there and you've come to check out my channel from her channel, thanks for coming. Welcome. I'm Jen. I'm a new part-time reseller on eBay. And what that has to do with consignment sales is that is how I started reselling. So I took all the stuff that I had saved for my kids to go into the consignment sale, and I kind of cherry picked the best things and I put those on eBay. And then I took all the stuff that I was putting into the consignment sale, put it in the consignment sale, and then used the money that I earned from the consignment sale to then go to thrift stores, garage sales, and buy things for inventory for my eBay reselling business. Andrea and I met because we are both a part of a reseller YouTube Facebook group that is for part of a mentorship with Becky Park's reseller YouTuber course. And it turns out Andrea and I live very, very near to each other and go to the same consignment sale every year, and we've never met in person. So it's really fun. I'm super excited to actually meet her in person soon, and in about 2 weeks we will each be doing another collaboration video haul of things that we buy at the consignment sale to resell on eBay or various reselling platforms. I think Andrea sells on Poshmark mostly. So I will link not only Andrea's video, make sure you go check that out, but then also Becky Park's reseller YouTuber course. That's an affiliate link. I'll have that in the description box as well. This is kind of a long video with, you know, me doing stuff. So maybe you want to grab something to do too, whether it's a load of laundry to fold or take some pictures. If you're a reseller, I have separated out. These are all the kids' clothes. When I buy things at the bins, I just put them in bags and put them up in my attic along with my children's clothes to save for the consignment sale. I have already gotten up in my attic, obviously, and gotten everything down. I sorted out and, you know, got all the jeans and the winter stuff, and that is saved up for the next sale. And then this here is what I have left. So I have basically like 4 piles. Right here is boys' clothes. I have put a box over it because I didn't want my son getting into it. Boys' clothes, girls' clothes, and then this is juniors. I have a teenager, so we have some junior sizes, which thankfully our kids' consignment sale goes through juniors, and they actually allow like home goods and things like that in the sale. This is kind of, there's some shoes in here and some other things like this that we don't need anymore. And again, another bag full of like accessories and shoes and things like that. So I just get on my website on my phone for the consignment sale. I know that there's like Lucky Duck and Just Between Friends. There's a couple that are really big and well known throughout like the country and different areas. The one that's in our area I think is pretty just local. I'm not really sure, but that's the one I'm doing. So I just pull up the website, pull up my consignor information, and then they have a mobile voice activated thing. So I can just speak into my phone and it generates the tags then that I have that I will make for my items that will have the barcode on it that they need to scan. So I'm gonna start. It takes a long time. I have a big pile of like toys and stuff in my garage that I just wanted to keep out of the way of the kids. So I've already done that and put those into the website so for my tags. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start on the clothes. I'm just gonna start tagging these items. we started doing this and I thought, oh shoot, I need to video this. I'm not always great at remembering to video. What I'm doing right now is, well, what we're working on is getting all the tags put on all the clothes. So my husband got those printed off for me, and I am sorting out some hangers. A friend of mine picked some up. The lady that runs our consignment sale actually has hangers at her, like she has hangers left over from years prior, and so she gives those out, or we make a donation. She's very mission minded, so a lot of things like extra like hangers and stuff will go to missions. And so a friend of mine went and picked up hangers. She also picked up some from me, and then I found some in my attic. So I have lots and lots of hangers, but they're all kind of just like modeled together like this. My daughter and I are working on getting all the tags put on all the clothes. We also have to get them hung on hangers. So we're getting them hung up, kind of working together a little bit of an assembly line. So one of us is working on hanging and one of us is working on tagging, and that's it. From my experience, each sale has its own rules on how and where they want you to tag. So if you are deciding that you want to do something like this, I would just suggest that you ask. I know our sale has like a consignor Facebook page and, you know, the email the owners and things like that. One thing that is really important is to keep like sizes together. So like all your size 12s, all your size 10s. That way they're just easier to put up when you are dropping off at the sale. Van loaded up, all our stuff ready to go. It's all clothes. This is all stuff. You can see I have a jogging stroller in there. Big items are great to take. They go really fast at my sale. Well, that was not like a comprehensive video, but hopefully just a good overview of what I do. I'm never in any way saying this is what you should do, but this is what I do. If you have questions, please let me know in the comment section, and I would love to answer you or maybe point you in the right direction if I don't know the answer. And let me know, do you do consignment sales? Is this like a common thing? I think it's, I don't know, I've been doing it for 10 years, so it feels like normal and common to me, but maybe it's not. Let me know if you do consignment sales, maybe kid consignment sales, maybe other kind of consignment sales in your area. I would love to know. Thank you so much for joining me. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a like, a thumbs up, and of course make sure you go check out Andrea's video that's linked in the description box. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and you can always check out another video. There's one right here, and I'll see you soon.